Welcome back to Stock Motion, the educational investment channel. Today we're going to take a very quick look at Corporate Universe, ticker symbol COUV. Before we start, please remember I'm not a financial advisor and this information is purely for educational purposes only, and please do your own due diligence before investing in any stocks. Without further ado, let's get into it. Corporate Universe, Inc. was formerly known as Inicia Incorporated and changed its name to Corporate Universe, Inc. in September 2010. Corporate Universe, Inc. is based in New York. The Corporate Universe, Inc. stock price fell by -21.40% on the last day, Thursday the 7th of January 2021, from 39 cents to 31 cents, and has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the day, the stock fluctuated 42.37% from a day low at 30 cents to a day high of 42 cents. The price has fallen in 5 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 316.09% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 4 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 21 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.56 million. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 94.81% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between 15 cents and 96 cents at the end of this 3-month period. The Corporate Universe stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately 36 cents. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately 10 cents. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 4, 2021, and so far it has fallen -35.90%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. This stock may move a lot during a day. Volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 13 cents between high and low, or 42.37%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 42.78%. Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Corporate Universe stock to perform well in the short term. If you like this, please hit the like button, leave a comment below and subscribe for more content like this. Join our Discord for buy and sell updates. You can find the link in the description, as well as a link to sign up for Trading 212, who are offering a free share up to £100. Thanks for watching and take care.